So I'm gonna be unboxing this old Vise sitting in my grandpa's garage for I don't know how many years, 5, 10, who knows how long. Just bought a welding table, so need a Vise for it. Set up some stuff, so I went down to his garage, picked it up. Can't see where it says who made it anywhere. Doesn't have a name on it. So let's open it up, see maybe who it's from, what the quality looks like. Wow, look at that. There's your staple. Doesn't look too bad. Definitely small, but my table is small, so this might be perfect little Vise. Wow, it's heavy. Who is this from? Who is this made by? It's got 3 feet on it. That's odd. It's 3 bolt, not 4. Doesn't have any kind of name on it anywhere, so I don't know where this is from. Should probably lube it up, put some grease on this spring and all that. But it still works, still spins. It's got pipe jaws in there. Small diameter pipe, but be doing pipe a little bigger than that. At least I got these jaws though. Pretty small, but won't be too heavy on the table. If I gotta move that table around, I don't want it too heavy, so this will be good for now. Alright, if anyone knows maybe where this Vise came from, who used to sell something that looks like this, made in China, LG sourcing. So, not sure who that is, but seems good enough to beat the crap out of while I build my Jeep suspension. Alright, we'll see you guys in the next one. I got a Reed Dana 44 knuckle coming in, just ordered that today, so finally starting on this Jeep project. I'll have a lot of videos coming on that, plus that new welding table I got. Alright, stay tuned, like and subscribe.